In a world where technology reigns supreme, artificial intelligence, or AI, has emerged as a leading player. This isn't the stuff of science fiction anymore, it's the reality we're living in. AI is now an integral part of our daily lives, transforming industries and sectors across the board. It's enhancing healthcare, streamlining transportation, boosting productivity in manufacturing, and even revolutionizing the way we communicate. It's not an overstatement to say that AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. But it's not just about convenience. AI is also tackling some of the biggest challenges of our time, from climate change to global health crises. It's helping us predict trends, make smarter decisions, and even save lives. So, yes, AI is more than just a trendy buzzword. It's a revolutionary force that's changing the world as we know it. AI is not just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary force that's changing the world as we know it. Unraveling the mysteries of AI, we embarked on an intriguing experiment. Picture this: a world where AI not only simplifies tasks but also pioneers innovation, creating solutions we've only dreamed of. That's our vision, and this experiment is our first step towards that future. At its core, our experiment aims to push the boundaries of what AI can do. We want to explore its potential in problem-solving and creative thinking, in ways that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. Our goal isn't merely to mimic human thought processes, but to augment them, to create an AI that can work in tandem with us, enhancing our capabilities and expanding our horizons. This journey is about more than just technological advancement. It's about understanding the essence of intelligence itself, about redefining what it means to think, to innovate, to solve. The goal is simple: to explore the potential of AI and understand its capabilities. Every great experiment is powered by great technology. And in the case of our AI experiment, there's a fascinating mix of technology and algorithms that make it all happen. Let's start with the technology. Our AI experiment is built on a powerful yet user-friendly platform known as a neural network. Think of it as a web of interconnected nodes, similar to the way our brains function. This network is designed to receive input, process it through several layers of these nodes, and finally produce output. This output is the AI's learning or decision based on the data it has been fed. Now, you might wonder, what's the fuel for this neural network? That's where the algorithms come in. Algorithms are like the recipes that guide the AI on how to process the input data. For our experiment, we use something called a deep learning algorithm. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning where neural networks learn from vast amounts of data. Imagine teaching a toddler to recognize a cat. You might show them pictures of different cats, pointing out their common features. Over time, the toddler learns to identify a cat, even one they've never seen before. That's how deep learning works. We feed the AI a lot of data, and over time it learns to identify patterns and make decisions based on those patterns. But there's a twist. Our AI doesn't operate on its own. It's part of a larger system known as a cloud-based AI. This means that our AI can access data and resources from the cloud, giving it a broader perspective and more power to learn and adapt. So there you have it. A neural network driven by deep learning algorithms and powered by the limitless resources of the cloud. It's a potent mix of technology that enables our AI to learn, adapt, and evolve. Remember, this is a simplified explanation. The reality of AI technology is more complex and nuanced, with various types of neural networks and algorithms tailored for specific tasks and goals. With the right technology, we can push AI to its limits and beyond. And that's precisely what we're doing with our AI experiment. Now, we dive into the heart of our experiment. First, we start with the question that's driving our investigation. What can AI achieve that hasn't been done before? This is the fuel that ignites the engine of our experiment. It's important to have a clear objective in mind before beginning any AI project. This provides direction and helps to measure the success of the experiment. Next, we gather all the necessary tools. For our experiment, we're using Python, a popular programming language known for its simplicity and versatility. Along with Python, we're utilizing TensorFlow, an open-source software library for high-performance numerical computation, particularly well-suited for machine learning applications. Once we have our tools in place, we move on to data collection. Data is the lifeblood of any AI experiment. It's what the AI uses to learn, to grow, to make decisions. In our case, we're using a large, publicly available data set. This data set is varied and rich, providing our AI with a wealth of information to learn from. The fourth step is data pre-processing. Here, we clean the data, removing any irrelevant or erroneous information. We also normalize and standardize the data, making it easier for our AI to process. This step is crucial. Clean, well-organized data is the foundation of a successful AI experiment. Now, we're ready to train our AI. We feed the pre-processed data into our machine learning model, which is built using TensorFlow. The model learns from the data, adjusting its internal parameters to minimize the difference between its predictions and the actual results. This process is iterative, meaning it repeats until the model's predictions are as accurate as possible. Once our AI is trained, we test it. We provide it with new data, unseen during training, and measure how well it predicts the outcomes. This step is crucial for understanding how our AI will perform in real-world scenarios. It's also a chance to fine-tune the model, adjusting parameters to improve its accuracy. Finally, we analyze the results. We look at what the AI has learned, how it's making its predictions, and where it's making mistakes. This analysis allows us to understand the strengths and weaknesses of our model, providing valuable insights for future experiments. And there you have it, a step-by-step breakdown of our AI experiment. From defining the question to analyzing the results, each step is crucial, each decision impacting the final outcome. It's a process that's both complex and fascinating, a journey into the heart of artificial intelligence. With these steps, you too can dive into the world of AI. Every experiment yields results, and ours was no exception. As we delved into this exploration of artificial intelligence, we were rewarded with findings that not only met our expectations, but also expanded our understanding of AI's potential. Firstly, our AI experiment showed remarkable efficiency in learning and adapting. It quickly grasped the rules of the system we programmed, demonstrating its ability to understand complex patterns and structures in a surprisingly short time. This bears massive implications for fields that require fast, effective learning and problem-solving, such as healthcare, finance, and logistics, to name a few. The experiment also revealed AI's impressive capacity for creativity. When faced with unique challenges, it devised innovative solutions, breaking away from conventional methods. This suggests that AI can play an instrumental role in fields that thrive on innovation and out-of-the-box thinking, like design, arts, and even scientific research. Moreover, our AI showed a strong propensity for accuracy. It made fewer errors compared to traditional methods, underscoring its potential to improve precision in various sectors, including manufacturing and data analysis. But perhaps the most significant revelation was AI's ability to work autonomously, with minimal human intervention. This autonomy opens up exciting possibilities for AI to take on tasks that are hazardous for humans or require extensive resources. However, these results also highlight the need for careful considerations. With AI's autonomy comes the necessity for robust ethical guidelines and regulations. As we usher in this new era of artificial intelligence, it's crucial that we tread wisely, balancing the pursuit of technological advancement with the preservation of human values and ethics. In the grand scheme of things, the results from our experiment are just a small glimpse into the vast universe of possibilities that AI presents. They raise intriguing questions and open up new avenues for exploration and innovation. So, as we delve deeper into the realm of AI, we must remember that these impressive results are not an end in themselves. Rather, they are stepping stones, guiding us towards a future where AI is not just a concept, but an integral part of our everyday lives. These results only scratch the surface of what AI can do. Our journey into the world of AI has been an enlightening one. We've delved into the purpose of our experiment, seeking to unravel the mysteries that AI holds and how it can transform our world. We've navigated the intricate labyrinth of technology that forms the backbone of AI, breaking down complex algorithms into digestible chunks of knowledge. We've taken you through the step-by-step process of our experiment, demystifying the world of AI and making it accessible to everyone. We've shared the results of our experiment, showing you the fascinating insights that AI can provide and the profound implications it has for our future. From understanding the goal of the experiment to exploring the technology behind it and finally witnessing the results, each step of our journey has been a testament to the power and potential of AI. As we continue to explore and experiment, the potential of AI remains limitless.